Alright guys, I gotta show you something. I just stopped at Marina's house to pick up her stuff. Get back out to my car, and somebody has written on my car. I mean, I don't know what is wrong with people vandalizing other people's belongings. It's pretty disgusting. I mean, I don't know. Do you guys think it's too much? I mean, that's just too much. But I don't know if they've got the balls to write on somebody's windows. I wouldn't mess with them. Best bet is probably to go like and subscribe to that channel and that page on Facebook. I don't know. I'm just really disgusted right now.